Have you looked in a mirror and thought, when did my skin get this tired? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Aging skin shows up in ways we can't ignore: dry patches, dull tone, fine lines. But here's the truth. Your skin doesn't need another expensive serum. I spend every week digging into safe, natural solutions made specifically for seniors, and today I'll show you exactly how to bring your skin back to life, using just a few ingredients from your kitchen: ginger, lemon, aloe vera, and rice. Stay with me, and I'll walk you through 2 skin-reviving masks and 1 powerful homemade oil that seniors across the no-pill zone community swear by. Ginger, a wake-up call for tired skin. You may already use ginger in your tea or cooking, but it's also one of the best natural ingredients for reviving aging skin. For seniors over 60, ginger can help boost circulation, which brings natural color and life back to dull skin. Reduce inflammation, helpful if your skin gets red or puffy easily. Gently fade age spots and fine lines over time. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that protect the skin from premature aging. And it smells amazing, warm, earthy, and calming. When you create an infusion with ginger, you're essentially giving your skin a natural boost, something it can recognize and absorb. The next star ingredient is lemon peel. Not lemon juice, but the outer yellow layer. Why the peel? Because that's where the powerful vitamin C and natural oils live. Vitamin C is one of the best things seniors can use for fading dark spots, evening out skin tone, supporting collagen production, which keeps skin firm and elastic. As we age, our skin produces less collagen. That leads to sagging and deeper wrinkles. But natural vitamin C, especially from lemon peel, helps slow that down. Lemon peel also gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells that make the face look dull. For older adults, that exfoliation needs to be gentle, and lemon peel does that job beautifully. It even has antibacterial properties, ideal for seniors with sensitive or blemish-prone skin. Aloe vera, soothing hydration for mature skin. Now let's talk about something many seniors already know and love: aloe vera. You may have used aloe for a sunburn back in the day, but its power goes far beyond that. For skin over 60, aloe vera provides deep hydration, soothes itchiness and redness, helps heal scars and lighten pigmentation, and contains natural enzymes that promote gentle skin renewal. Aloe is ideal for older skin because it moisturizes without clogging pores, and it's incredibly calming. That's important for seniors who may have become sensitive to over-the-counter creams or artificial ingredients. Whether it's from a plant in your home or a natural aloe gel from the store, aloe vera blends perfectly with our other ingredients to create a skin treatment that actually supports aging rather than fighting it harshly. The blend, creating a healing oil for seniors over 60. Now imagine this: warming ginger, fresh lemon peel, cool, soothing aloe, all combined into a golden oil base. For our carrier oil, we use extra virgin olive oil. Why? Because olive oil is gentle, nourishing, and rich in vitamin E, which helps repair dry or aging skin. Once combined, these ingredients slowly release their benefits into the oil through a gentle heating process. After the infusion, seniors can use this oil directly on the face, neck, or even dry hands. It's light, it's non-irritating, and with consistent use, it helps bring comfort, hydration, and visible softness to skin that's been through a lot. If you're enjoying this so far, let us know by liking this video and leaving a comment. Have you ever used natural oils on your skin before? What worked best for you after 60? We read every message here at No Pill Zone, and this community is all about sharing what works. In the beginning part OT this video, we explore the healing power of ginger, lemon peel, and aloe vera blend it into a gentle oil base that deeply nourishes mature skin. Now, we're going to take things further, because once you've made your infused oil, you're left with a jar full of ginger, lemon, and aloe pulp. Most people would throw it away, but not here on No Pill Zone. For seniors, this leftover blend becomes a second treatment, a soft, refreshing natural face mask that gently exfoliates and refreshes skin without harsh chemicals or rough scrubbing. Let's show you how to use it. A simple face mask from leftover goodness. This isn't complicated, and that's key for seniors who may want low-effort routines. Once the oil is strained and set aside, you'll have the solid pulp remaining in your jar. That mix still contains plenty of antioxidants, enzymes, and nutrients. Don't toss it. Instead, picture this. The blended leftovers go into a food-safe container or blender. Add a little aloe gel or water to loosen the texture. Blend until you get a creamy paste. To use, apply a thin layer to clean skin, your face, neck, or even hands. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. Rinse gently with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. There's no sting, no chemical reaction, just a light tingle and a cooling feel as nature does its job. This kind of mask is especially good for seniors with sensitive skin or anyone dealing with dryness, uneven tone, or dullness. Why these ingredients work so well for skin over 60. Let's break down why this recipe is so powerful for aging skin. Ginger stimulates blood flow, bringing more oxygen to your skin cells. Lemon peel fades dark spots naturally with its vitamin C content. Aloe Vera helps moisturize, soothe, and support collagen production. Together, these ingredients reduce signs of fatigue and dullness, calm redness or puffiness, improve texture and tone over time. And the beauty of this approach? No medication, no chemicals, no side effects. It's all from nature, safe, affordable, and gentle enough for seniors to use regularly. Now let's add one more secret ingredient, rice. Yes, plain white kitchen rice. This is where we build your second natural skincare product, designed specifically to help seniors over 60 bring back softness, glow, and moisture. Why rice? Because it's full of B vitamins, which support skin cell renewal, minerals that soothe and soften the skin, natural starches that create a calming, cooling effect, and it's been used in Asia for centuries to keep skin youthful looking. For older adults, rice offers a way to treat the skin without stripping or drying it. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and effective enough to see results. How to use rice as a skin treatment. Take about 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooked rice. White or brown, either works. Make sure it's soft and cool. Blend it into a thick, creamy paste, like porridge. Add in a few spoonfuls of fresh aloe vera gel. That's it. No peeling, no boiling. Just mix and apply. You now have a natural hydrating mask perfect for older skin. How it helps seniors over 60. This rice and aloe mask is especially helpful for dry, flaky areas, crepey skin on the cheeks or under the eyes, reducing fine lines and restoring a soft, smooth texture, giving skin a subtle, refreshed glow without makeup. To apply, just smooth on a clean skin. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water. Moisturize as usual. You can do this 2 to 3 times per week for best results. This mask is gentle, easy, and affordable. Exactly what we aim for here at No Pill Zone. Are you enjoying these natural tips for senior skincare? If so, give this video a like and leave a comment. Let us know how your skin feels these days. At No Pill Zone, we believe aging doesn't mean giving up on your glow. More ideas for using the oil and mask. Now that you have both an oil and a mask, here's how to fit them into your week. Use the infused oil at night, right after cleansing. Let it absorb while you sleep. Try the rice mask in the morning once or twice a week for a dewy, refreshed feel. Use the ginger lemon aloe mask as a weekend pick-me-up, something calming and revitalizing. And here's a bonus. You can also apply either mask to the backs of your hands or your chest, two areas seniors often forget but show age just as much as the face. How to use this mask on senior skin. Apply it the same way as before. Use clean fingertips to apply a thin layer. Avoid the eyes and lips. Let it rest on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off gently with warm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. This mask is ideal for evening use before bed, winter months when skin is extra dry, or as a weekly treatment to soften fine lines and improve skin texture. You can apply it not just to the face, but also to the hands, chest, and even the neck, where older skin often loses moisture quickly. Storage tips for natural masks and oils. Because these are made with fresh, natural ingredients, you want to store them properly. Here's how. Use clean, airtight containers. Glass is best. Keep your oil in a cool, dark cabinet. Store your mask in the fridge, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Always check for changes in smell or color before reusing. And remember, it's best to make small batches and use them up quickly. That's one of the advantages of natural remedies. They're easy to make again when needed, and they're free of preservatives and harmful additives. A weekly routine for seniors over 60. Here's a simple routine to follow if you're looking to nourish your skin consistently. Morning, 2 to 3 times a week. Use the rice and aloe mask for a fresh glow. Evening, 2 to 3 times a week. Apply the ginger lemon aloe oil, especially to dry areas. Once a week, treat yourself to the avocado-infused rice mask for deep hydration. You don't need expensive serums or trips to the spa. With just a few ingredients and a few minutes, you're giving your skin exactly what it needs to stay soft, smooth, and supported. Final words of encouragement for seniors. Aging is natural, so is change. But that doesn't mean your skin has to feel uncomfortable, tired, or neglected. At No Pill Zone, we believe that senior skincare doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be intentional. When you nourish your skin with real ingredients like ginger, aloe, lemon, rice, olive oil, and avocado, you're not just helping your skin look better. You're helping it heal, breathe, and glow again. So take time for yourself. Make one of these recipes. Sit by the window with a cup of tea. Let the mask do its work while you relax. Because self-care is not vanity, it's dignity. Especially after 60. If this video helped you or someone you care about, consider sharing it with another senior. Please like, subscribe, res hair, and leave a comment, and let us know which remedy you're going to try first.